beautiful family. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today I have another wig show and tell, and today's wig is brought to you by KLAIYI Hair. Thank you so much, KLAIYI Hair, for sponsoring this video. And the packaging is eating, okay? The fact that it comes in this cute bag, I could use this bag for something else after I take the wig out of it. And then the wig is packaged in this beautiful green KLAIYI Hair box. You can also find KLAIYI Hair on social media as well. I'll be sure to leave their social media handles in the description box too. So not only the wig comes neatly packaged, when you order, they send you some gifts in the box as well. Let me show you what I got. I got 2 HD wig caps and these really cute press-on nails. Like, these press-on nails is actually really cute. Definitely look like it was done by a professional. I got 2 edge bands and 2 hair clips and a KLAIYI Hair silk dust bag. These are really good to store your wigs in if you don't want to keep the box. Like I said before, the wig came neatly packaged, and it came neatly packaged in this long clear plastic baggie. They also sent me some extra hairline tape, and this is definitely going to come in handy for this install. This wig is one of KLAIYI Hair new releases. This is their new bye-bye cap wig. This wig comes with a 13x4 lace frontal parting space. Under the frontal, they attached a built-in cap for a natural look. There's only one comb on the inside of the wig, and it's in the nape area. They also inserted an adjustable elastic band so you can get an extra secure, snug, flat fit. The wig was made on a breathable stretch fit cap. The wig also comes with a drawstring located in the nape area. The drawstring is very sturdy and it helps adjust the cap to small and large head sizes. The lace on this wig is HD lace, and the cap underneath the frontal feels soft and smooth. The hair texture is on the silky side, and this is how the wig comes straight out of the package. This is basically a pre-everything wig. Right here is a close-up on how the hairline comes. The hairline comes pre-plucked. They did a great job plucking the hairline. The lace comes pre-cut, and the knots come pre-bleached. Before I put the wig on, that adjustable strap that is on the inside, I adjusted it and made it just a little bit more tighter. It was easy to adjust. It's like adjusting a bra strap. Then when I put the wig on, I make sure that adjustable elastic band is nice and comfortable in my nape area. And then I adjust the wig to where I would like it before my hairline. And when you wear this wig, you don't have to wear a wig cap. I just had on my wig cap because I didn't want to show my braids. Plus, I also forgot that I don't need the wig cap. So the lace blends in really nicely with my skin, but the leftover foundation that was on my brush, I just took it and wiped it on top of the lace hairline. And I must say, the lace blends in with the skin really nice. In the nape area, I adjusted that drawstring and made it more tighter. I'm so sorry that you can't see it. I thought you could see it, but I was wrong now that I'm watching this video over. And now I'm going to use my white tooth comb and comb out the curls. The curls that they did, I know it looks a little messy straight out the package, but once you comb it, it comes together. I was actually like, okay, this isn't bad. It doesn't look like I have to go in and curl it, and that's good because sometimes you just want to get a wig that you could wear straight out of the package and be on the go and touch it up later. Okay, I see the vision for the end result. So next I'm going to use my tweezers, and they already attached hairline tape to the sides of the lace so it can stay down. This is supposed to be a glueless unit, but if you get this wig and you would like to remove the tape and rock it with glue, you definitely can if you want, but the purpose is to rock it glueless. The pre-attached hairline tape that they have on the sides of the wig hairline, I just take my time and peel off that top layer, and then I just stick it on right to my hairline. When you stick it down, make sure you clean it a little with either makeup remover or rubbing alcohol so it can stick to your skin nicely throughout the day, even if you sweat. I was so impressed with how quick I did this install and how nicely the end results came out. This was the amount of shedding I got all together after styling the hair, and to me, that shedding is on the low side. And y'all, oh my god, this is so cute. Really nice for every day, especially if you're in a office. And this wig is really comfortable on my head. Let's get into the wig details. Okay, so the length of this wig on me is 20 inches. My height is 5'6". The lace that they used is HD lace, and I must say the lace is high definition. A lot of people say that they're using HD lace and it's nothing really HD about it. I salute this wig. The hair color is a natural black color, but this is a virgin hair wig, so you can dye this wig and even bleach it. I love the fact that I split the hair in the back. My tracks isn't showing. You can't see my wig cap, so you're clear for the people that like to split their hair, because I am one of them. The hair density is not too thick, not too thin. And like I said before, this wig is 20 inches, but it's 20 inches stretched out on me. Not stretched out, I would say it's about 18 inches. And the shedding on this wig was very low. As for tangling, I got 0 tangles. This wig only come in one size only. My head circumference is 22 inches and it fit nice and comfortable on my head. And guess what? It is extra small head friendly, small head friendly, medium size friendly, big head friendly, extra large head friendly. Because of that drawstring in the back, this wig can fit head circumference that are 18 to 24 inches. And like I said, this is a glueless install. This is a great wig for you to take off in the nighttime, throw on and go the next day, and you could replace the hairline tape with new hairline tape if the hairline tape is not too sticky. So the best part about the cap underneath, plus having the pre-bleached knots, this wig look like it's coming from my scalp. And because this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, you can part this wig in the right, middle, left. You could get jiggy with it and add a really cute updo style. It's definitely looking like scalp. I thought to try a half up, half down style, and the wig is so secure on my head with that adjustable elastic band and the drawstring that I don't even need a edge band to hold down the front of the lace so the wig don't slide back. The curls that KLAIYI Hair did on this wig is really beautiful. And I love the fact that I combed out the hair and the curls barely dropped. Like, it's still nice and tight. And a lot of the curls even just revert back into that curl pattern. So I believe the curl would hold for a really long time. And this is a virgin hair wig, so you can use heat on this wig as well. I will come back with an update. I'll probably do a TikTok video of me recurling this wig and showing what it looks like outside, because I didn't get a chance to show what it looked like in this video on how it take heat. I will also upload that video as a reel for you guys too, so stay tuned for that. This wig is so cute that I had to do a natural sunlight test, and here I am in natural sunlight, and the lace really looks good in the sun as well, and as do the hair. Like I said, it's a natural black color, so you can see like that light 1B color in the natural sunlight. The lace lays nice and flat to my forehead. It contours my forehead, and I just love the fact that it's glueless. Like, I really can't stand glue, you guys. I love me a wig that I could take off, put on my mannequin head, and put on the next day and be on the go. And plus, when you don't sleep in your wigs, it helps your wigs last longer. That cap that they have underneath, it makes the wig look like scalp. Like, this was a really good idea, especially for people that don't like wearing wig caps. You can even put this wig in a ponytail. The back is nice and flat too. Sorry that I didn't comb my kitchen area. I just wanted to show you guys what the back looked like, because the back is laying flat, especially with that drawstring. That drawstring, I love me a good drawstring wig, and this is one of them. So like always, thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, you guys. Be safe.